Tapos na ang ating Universal Studios escapade.
We survived.
At nandito tayo ngayon sa Nippon Bashite.
Nippon Bashi.
Nippon
Gutom.
Nippon Bashi area kasi pupuntahan natin yung Pokemon store. Pangalan niya is Collectibles.
You got me so bad, you make it all slow down, not getting closer, you're killing me. You got it so bad.
Kasi nga diba birthday ni Cal. And kukuhanan natin siya ng regalo natin today doon sa store na yon. Recently lang din kasi namin nalaman na nag-start na rin pala siyang mag-collect. So para makatulong, makadagdag sa kanyang koleksyon, ibibilan natin siya ng regalo. Napunta na ba tayo dito dati?
Hindi pa. Sa area na to, hindi.
Yeah, first time. Busy, crowded, dahil oras din ng rush hour. Kaya yung mga tao naglalabas talaga galing sa opisina.
Parang nalagpasan na natin.
Is it? Oh, yeah, looks like it. Sa building siya eh.
Okay.
4th floor. Yan. Nakarating din tayo.
Pokemon.
Ayan, Pokemon cards. Magkano? What?
$218? No, I don't think this is the one. Pokemon 27 and whoa, 300?
Pero dito meron, no? Per customer.
28.80 per box.
Per box or pack?
And it's only 3 per customer. Ano yung tsura ba ng trainer box?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Kung yan ba yung trainer box, wala kasi kaming alam. Ayan. Pero at least nakarating tayo. Hirapan tayong hanapin. So kanina nakabili na nga tayo nung ating pangregalo kay Calvin. Dumaan naman tayo dito sa parang Tianggian grocery nila. Tingin lang tayo ng pampasalubong natin. So yun, usually dito kayo magtingin ng mga pampasalubong sa mga gatong klaseng establishment.
Hindi sa Donkey.
Oo, wag sa Donkey, wag sa convenience store. Dahil mas mura. Mas mura siya typically yung price. Ito lang ang feels natin. Parang getting lost in Japan ng peg.
Getting lost, alam namin sa kayo pupunta.
Pero lawak nung dinadaanan natin. Naninibago ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan to.
Baka dito sa loob ng mall na
Yeah,
to.
looks like it.
Okay.
Yan lang naman ang feels na kung nasaan tayo. Ayan, GU, Uniqlo.
Ayun. So,
GU,
Uniqlo lang ba tayo? Di ba
Ha?
yung like G?
Yeah, just Uniqlo. Andito tayo sa Namba Marui. Parang ano
May sinihan pala dito.
Parang Marui, di ba ano yun? RC Racing Tamiya, Marui.
Hindi ko alam. Ito pala, wait.
You know, parang sosyalin tong area na to. Takashimaya. Takashimaya. Yung Uniqlo lang tayo dito. Mura kasi dito eh. Natatandaan ko yung hoodie na binili ko dito. $69 siya sa Canada, sa Vancouver. Yung binili namin dito, $39. Ewan ko lang kung ganun pa yung presyo ngayon. Ito na, nahanap na natin. $39.90. So parang lumalabas $40. Sa atin, halos $70 yan eh. Ayan. Jackpot tayo. Yan, mura dito kaya bibili na tayo dito. You choose from the bottom or somewhere in the middle. Mag-open po siya ng 1 pack. Select.
How many cards did you ano po?
How many packs?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's just an entire box that we got.
You got the entire box?
We got the entire box.
Box.
Yeah,
we got the entire box. Obviously, it's no, we'll return their others.
Okay, namimili po siya ng isang pack to open. Okay. Let's make it like a lucky pack.
How do you know you weigh it?
Yeah.
Just trying to feel the energy.
I'm not saying anything.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of packs in one box. Oh my goodness.
Thank you. You don't have to buy this much for. Thank you, Mom.
But you said you want a trainer pack or something pack. Isn't that the one?
Yeah. The trainer one naman is a lot.
Okay, here we go. Just gonna open one.
Are you gentle?
You wanna do it? No, that's how you do it.
Not in the middle? Parang I saw you're not supposed to do it in the middle.
What do you mean in the middle?
You cut it?
No, you don't cut it.
Are you sure? Okay, let's let him.
Are you a...
Do you wanna try muna? Cause
I don't know how to do that. Clark. Don't go there yet because Kuya's
I know, but the edge, once you rip it.
Oh, let's start.
We're gonna hand over the open pack. Let's see. Let's see if you get lucky.
You take the first 3 daw po.
Okay.
The first 3?
Dapat may app ka, di ba? To know kung how much ang bawat isa.
Oh, nothing.
Nothing!
Yeah.
Okay,
In
it's
that
okay,
pack?
Huh?
In that pack?
Yeah, maybe there's a lot more. I don't want to open it.
Okay.
If it was good, I would have ruined it.
Okay. Good morning. 4th day in Japan. And as usual, gala mode pa rin tayo. Bibili lang tayo ng konting pampasalubong. And maglalunching tayo doon sa isang restaurant na talagang inaantay-antay na talaga ni Joyce. After natin mag-ikot-ikot, nakapamili na tayo ng konting pasalubong. Ayan, nandito tayo sa building ng Don Quixote. And sa taas, merong restaurant. Ito yung favorite or gustong subukan ni Joyce. Sushiro. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Nakapila na kami. Basically, they open at 11 ng umaga. And to think, may pila na. Nakita nyo ba? May pakita natin kung ano yung pagkain na serve nila doon sa loob. Nakaupo na kami. Ayan o, nanonood kami ng ano pinapanood natin. Ay, yun yung menu. Oh, diba? Okay.
Chutoro. Wait. Let me see.
So, meron siyang conveyor sa baba. Lahat ng orderin mo dyan pupunta.
Can you press next? Can you press next?
What's corn tempura?
Where? Okay, get that.
French fries.
Next.
There,
Fried
fried
chicken.
chicken.
Snow crab egg custard.
360 yen. Snow crab egg
Can you go
custard.
back?
May ramen din pala dito. Pwede ka na mag-ramen.
Chutoro tasting. Are you gonna eat? Huh?
You have to order them. It's a fork.
No, you can order more.
Order more.
4 out of 4 each time per batch.
Sige, order.
Okay, now you can.
Okay, go. Wait.
Ganun pala yun. Per batch.
Otoro. Yeah. Do you want one? Ay, Chutoro. One more Chutoro. Sorry. $2 lang yan. Sa akin, 11 bucks isa niyan.
Okay, fine. One last and then order. Oh,
Close. The salmon seared. Oh, wait.
yeah, so just get it.
Seared.
Oh, that's it. Order na.
Okay, order.
Yan, batch of 4.
O, get the tempura. Kayo naman. Shrimp. Ay, gusto niya may cheese and mayo? And Kobe, what do you want?
I'm looking for grilled chicken. Yeah, yeah. And then,
Shrimp tempura, the regular, no?
no, may rice. You can go next. Ooh, there's the item. It arrived. Ano yan? Seared, ano,
You
eel?
get it?
That one, chicken grilled seared cheese mayo. Yeah. That's it. Let's do it. First. Ooh, so fast. Look at that.
This is my happy place.
Ito rin yung order niyo.
Get the black
Ang bilis
people,
lang.
black
Ano pa gusto mo ka? Shrimp salad parfait? Is that for real? Oh, mozzarella tempura. What's that? You wanna try that? Yung mga may sabaw. Yeah, what is that? Sapporo rich miso ramen. You don't like that?
It looks big.
I think it's small eh.
Is that water?
Share tayo. Anong gusto mong i-try? Ano mas masarap? Miso or shoyu ramen?
Yeah, it is.
Shoyu.
Hot water ito.
Okay. Can you click on one shoyu? Let's taste it. Share tayong tatlo ni ma'am. Hindi ka pa nakaka-kubra, kumbaga. Nandyan na yung order mo kagad. Hindi ka pa tapos pala. Makapag-order sa lahat. Ayun, ang dami oh. Look at that.
Sushi?
What did you say?
There's two sushis giving.
Yeah.
What is this?
It's like a tycoon.
A tycoon?
Yeah.
Ayan, kain muna kami ha. May marating na yung pagkain. Ang dami no.
Gitin natin si
It's
Daddy.
like a tycoon.
Ang bilis.
Grabe, ang saya-saya ko.
Got all the meat.
This is like heaven for me.
Dami.
And there's the French fries.
Is there a french fry?
Yeah.
You saw it?
Saw the French
Ayan pala, may Japanese sweet potato. And guys, aftermath. We ordered over 37 items. Busog. Busog. Sulit na sulit dito. Happy place to Joyce. Kung happy place, ano?
Sushiro.
Sushi roll. Yan.